Hey guys, it's Lily Bakes here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have a very exciting video for you guys. I have one of my biggest orders yet, so I'm going to be taking you guys with me on how I make the order. First things first, I have got some breakfast. I've just got back from the gym, so I need to go and get ready and sort myself out, and I'm going to eat this first though. Then I need to work out everything that I need to buy and go and buy it. I should have really done it when I was on my way back from the gym, but I didn't think about it and I hadn't worked out what I needed to get. So I'm going to do that this morning, and then this afternoon I'll be showing you everything that I'm baking because I have lots to bake. But before we get started with the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Let's go. This is the ingredients that I need to get. I have just worked out everything that I need to get, so I'm going to quickly get ready. Then I'm going to go to the shops and get it all. It's not actually as much as I thought it would be because we have quite a lot here, but it's just a few bits I need to top up on, mostly chocolate. There's lots of chocolate to get. Heavy bag full of stuff. The first thing that I'm going to do is the cake. So I'll tell you what I have to do. I have one actual cake, 2 cookie cakes and 2 lots of cookies. So they've ordered a lot, but I'm very excited for the order. So the cake is just a plain blue cake, and then all the cookie cakes and the cookies to go with it as well. So I'll get the cake done first so I can go into the oven, and then I'll start on all the cookies. This is the butter, sugar and vegetable oil, which I'm just going to mix together. My dad got some new chickens like maybe about a month ago now, and they've only just started laying eggs, but one of them has. Can you guys tell which is the new egg? It's this one if you couldn't tell, because it's a lot smaller than the others. It doesn't even look that much smaller on there, but in real life it does. So I'm going to use 3 eggs in there. Mix that round again. Now we've got the flour going in. Now the milk and vanilla. This is done like this. I'm going to put it into the tins. I've got some of the circle parchment paper parts, which I think I just got from, can't remember. But I just do it literally, I don't measure it. I just do about the same scoop in each one and just go back and forth until the mixture's gone. Here we go, all done. So I'm going to put them in the oven now, and then we can get started on the cookies. Cookies are actually like my favourite things to make, so I'm very excited to do that because I have lots to do as well. So I'm going to make the cookies, and the first ones I'm going to do are just the normal chocolate chip cookies. And I was going to do them by hand, because usually when I'm doing one mix I just do it by hand because I don't need to use a big mixer for it. But I'm going to use the new Kenwood that I got given because it's small, so it fits it better. So, and when I used it the other day it was really good because I used it for the first time. I love the new place where they've put this, but I'm just going to mix this all through. It's just so cute, look at it, it's so small compared to all the other ones. Look at that compared to that. There's a lot of difference, but this is just easy for bits like this, it's perfect. So put it up, cream the butter and the sugars together. Now I'm going to chop up the chocolate. So this is 300 grams, not this, but I need 300 grams. So I only have to do 3. The one thing I don't like about cookies is when I do them in big batches and I have to cut up like 900 grams of chocolate in one go. That hurts my hand a lot. I'm just rolling the cookie dough out. I've measured out 100 grams, I'm sure it is. So I'm just doing that with all of them. And then I'll put them into the freezer for a bit, just so they can firm up and keep their shape a bit more when they're baking. This makes 9 cookies, so they're all done. I'm going to put them into the freezer, like I said. Get started. I think I'm going to do the cookie cakes now because I've got 2 of them to do. And then I will go back and do the half and half cookies. Now we've got the same thing going on as the normal cookies I've just done. Just creaming together the butter and the 2 sugars. I forgot they unplugged it. Now I've got the eggs going in, so I mix them together. Now is the flour, bicarbonate soda and corn flour in there. So let that mix, and now I need to chop up the chocolate, which as you already know is not one of my favourites. I need six, that's 6 isn't it? Yeah, 6 bars, so 600 grams. What I'm doing now is basically I've put the cookie dough into a separate bowl so I can measure how much there is. It's 1,855, so I'm just going to get the calculator and work out how much that is divided by 2 so that I can put it in both of these. I've greased the bottom of these with some, well, I put some parchment paper in there. And then I'm going to weigh out 927 grams into each one. So like this from there, and then I'll just measure it out. It's easier just rather than having to do 2 separate mixtures at different times. If you need to do more than 1 cookie cake, just do it like this. There we go. And then I just need to flatten it down. These are all done. This is what they look like. So now it's time to put them into the oven. Oh, and these are the cakes. The cakes came out about 20 minutes ago maybe. So I'm going to let them cool down. Stop for a minute to have some lunch. I'm having one of my favourites. Tuna cucumber salad. Cucumber tuna salad. People usually use a mandarin, but I don't have one, so I just use my knife to cut up the cucumber. And then a tuna. So it is tuna, you put it in here. I might do the whole thing, I might not. I've literally got no storage left on my phone, so that's great, but I'm just going to put some mayo in. And then now I'm going to have to sit and sort out my storage. I'm literally getting a new phone today. My new phone is coming today. But anyway, shake up. This is what it should look like, and it is so nice. I'm going to eat it all now. My new phone's just come, so I'm going to open it up, sort it out, then I'll be back with you guys because I've literally got no storage left, so hopefully I can sort it out on here. This is the 16 Pro. Very excited. I've got it just before holiday as well, so I can get set up to take it on holiday. I have a little update for you guys. So I'm now on my new phone. I've done some makeup, just made myself look a lot nicer, well, a bit nicer. The cookie cakes are out. Here is what they look like, and obviously you've already seen the cakes. So the other cookies are still in the freezer, which I'll get out soon, but I now need to make the half and half cookies, which I'm going to film for Instagram. So I'm going to get that done now, but I'm going to clear up a little bit first. It took me ages to do my phone, and I was just doing that and doing a little bit of editing at the same time. I'm making the half and half cookies now. There we go, that's what they look like. Good morning everyone, it is the next day now, and I'm doing this over 2 days because there's quite a lot to do. But this morning I'm just making some buttercream for the cake. Now I've cut the tops off, I need to level them in the middle. I'm just going to cut them in half like this. Perfect. There we go. Whilst the buttercream is finishing off, I'm going to get the cookies out and bake the cookies because they need to be done. Cookies are going in the oven now. This is the colour of the buttercream, and I'm just going to do the second coat of it now. That is all done. The last thing that I need to do is decorate the cookie cake. I have some white in this piping bag with this tip, I don't know what it's called. I'm just going to write happy birthday on both of these. Then I'll go around in separate colours to finish off. This is how the cookie cakes have turned out. I love the difference in the different piping tips. I think they look really nice. Finally, everything is done and it all looks so good. I actually kind of want to eat it, but I'm not going to, obviously. That is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, just like this one. Bye.